and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls. Into that heaven my father let my country open. These words, penned by Rabindranath Tagore, resonate deeply as we envision India of 2047. A very pleasant morning to esteemed judges, respected teachers, and my dear elocutioners. Today I, code number 8, stand before you all on this important platform to share my visions and thoughts on the topic India at 2047. A nation that has transcended its colonial past and emerged as a global superpower, not just in economic terms, but also in terms of its moral, ethical, and cultural standing. From the ancient wisdom of the Vedas to the technological prowess of the 21st century, India has always been a nation filled with innovation and intellectual brilliance. Our rich cultural heritage, coupled with our resilience and adaptability, has enabled us to strive even in the face of adversity. Our colonial past is a testament to our resilience and ingenuity. The Mauryan Empire, the Gupta Empire, and the Vedic culture were all the beacons of knowledge and prosperity. However, the India of the past few centuries has also faced its share of challenges. Colonial exploitation, partition, poverty, and whatnot. But through it all, the Indian spirit has remained unbroken. Dear friends, our Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi, has encapsulated his vision for India in 2047 in the Panch Pran, the 5 pledges for India's development which are crucial in this discussion. First, a developed India, a nation where every citizen has access to quality education, healthcare, and employment opportunities. Second, removal of corruption, a society free from corruption where transparency is the norm. Third, pride in our heritage, a nation where every citizen feels proud of its rich cultural heritage and tradition. Fourth, unity and strength, a united India where diversity is our strength. Last but not least, fifth, duty of citizens, a nation where every citizen fulfill their duty towards their country. Dear audience, I want to ask you, don't you think that if we genuinely follow these 5 resolves, we'll find ourselves in the India which we truly dreamt for? Yes, exactly. To achieve this vision, we must harness the power of our youth, as they are the future of this country, the architects of our destiny. Let us inspire them to dream big, to think critically, and to work tirelessly. Dear audience, I envision India in 2047 where science and technology will solve societal problems. A nation that is a global leader in renewable energy, sustainable agriculture, and healthcare. Let us create an India where every citizen has access to clean air, clean water, and a healthy environment. Empower our youth, let them strive, with knowledge and skill to reach and thrive. Let's build a nation with a brighter fate, where science and tech solve societal weight. As we strive to create a new India, let us remember the wise words of Swami Vivekananda. Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached. Let us put our hands together to build a nation with a brighter future for ourselves, our children, and this nation. Let us arise to the occasion. Let us awake to our responsibilities